Paying an employee in Xero is simple and efficient, but knowing the right steps can make all the difference. Stick around and I'll walk you through the entire process so you can start paying your team accurately and on time without the headaches. First, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually use Xero for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses that will help you manage your business finances even more effectively. Now, when it comes to paying employees in Xero, the first thing you'll need to do is set up your payroll. If you haven't done this already, head over to your Xero dashboard and click on the payroll tab. You'll need to add all your employee details here. Think names, addresses, tax information, pay rates, and bank account details for direct deposits. Once your employees are set up, you'll want to create a pay run. To do this, click Pay Run from the payroll menu. You'll see an option to start a new pay run. Select the pay schedule for your employees, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Then, Xero will automatically populate the list of employees that should be paid. This is where you'll make adjustments if needed, like adding overtime or bonuses. After the pay run is created, Xero will calculate all deductions, taxes, and benefits based on the information you entered in your employee's setup. You'll be able to see a detailed breakdown, including how much tax is withheld, any contributions like superannuation, and the net pay for each employee. The next step is to approve the pay run. Once you review the details and confirm everything looks correct, click Post Pay Run. This is when Xero officially processes the pay. At this stage, it's time to pay your employees. You can pay your employees manually through your bank, or if you've set up Xero's integrated payment options, Xero can generate a bank file for you. This makes it easy to upload directly to your bank for a fast payment process. Remember, after you've paid your employees, Xero will automatically record the transaction in your accounts, saving you time on bookkeeping. You'll get an automatic update in your payroll reports as well, so you always know where your business stands. The last step is to generate payslips. Once the pay run is posted, Xero will generate payslips for all your employees. You can email them directly through the system or download them as PDFs and hand them out yourself. Now, if you're still new to Xero, don't worry. This system is designed to be intuitive. The more you use it, the easier it becomes to manage all aspects of your payroll. And if you ever need assistance, Xero's customer support is always available to help guide you through any issues. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out that link below for your exclusive free trial of Xero, along with the bonuses to get the most out of this powerful software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you feel more confident about paying an employee in Xero. Make sure to hit the link below for your extended free trial and get started with Xero today.